Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are doing a Banana Republic factory try-on haul. I went into the outlets and I stumbled across Banana and I was like, okay, let me see what they have. So some of these pieces are probably more towards end of season, but I do think that they'll transition well into the fall time, early fall at least. So I was trying to pair some of them so you can get a flavor of both end of season and how to transition them into fall time. The first piece is the navy shirt dress that I'm wearing. You'll notice in the clip they didn't take off the security tag, which is a bummer, so I do need to go back in and have them remove it. You guys need to let me know if it's even worth it for me to keep or should I just return it. You can also give me feedback on all the other outfits as well. So everything will be linked below, and I will also include all of the other items that I paired with it to the best that I can. I know a couple of items may be sold out or they're old from my wardrobe. Even though they may be old from my wardrobe, I just wanted to give you an idea of how I would style it. Most of them come in double extra small through XL. If that's not the range for some of these pieces, I'll certainly notate it down in the links below. So the shirt dress we have here, it does come in two other colors, in a khaki and a brown. It does have a pointed collar with drop shoulders. It has a buckle belt, and it also has a front button-down closure. There are chest pockets, and it is unlined. Just wanted to point that out. I don't know that I saw any shearing that peeped through any of the areas I didn't want it to show, but again, I just wanted you to know that I just want to point out that it is an unlined dress. Really lightweight, it is comfortable. It's one of those pieces maybe for Friday dress down in the office, maybe on the weekend just going out for date night, or even meeting your friends for lunch, whatever your weekend activities are. I think it's very versatile and you can wear it for many different occasions. It does have the roll-up sleeves with the tab, so you can wear it almost 3/4 or you can wear it full length. And I do want to mention, when it's long sleeved, it has the button cuffs. So wanted to point that out. It does have the belt. I think I would play around with the belt. I don't know. The belt is very long. I don't know if that's just the way it fits on me, but it wraps pretty long. Like I could probably wrap it twice around my body, which is extremely long. But I think you can play this up with different belts that you have. It doesn't have to necessarily be this one. I would try to play around with the belt and see, maybe you don't have to do with, belt it the traditional way, and then maybe you can just like wrap it and tie it. Can't really do a bow with it because of the buckle, which is actually really nice buckle. It's not a metal buckle, it's more of like a resin plastic, but it's actually not so bad. I just struggle with belts. Even in my last video, I was actually showing everything with belts, when in fact I always say because of my short waist I have a hard time. But anyway, let's move on to the next outfit. The next outfit is this tiered mini dress. It's more of like a brown and beige print. It does come in another, I think there's also like a blue as well. It has a band collar with a V neckline. It is long sleeves. It does have the button cuffs. It does have a belt tie at the waist, which, there's so many different ways in which to belt. You can bow it, you can just have it draping, knot it, and then just it drapes. It does have an asymmetrical ruffle hem, which adds a nice detail. It is also unlined. Again, I don't know that I saw any shearing in places I don't want it to be sheer. This is one of those pieces where you can dress it up or dress it down and wear it to the office, but then you can wear it even with, maybe try it with a nice moto jacket or a nice cardigan. A blazer might be a little too structured for it, but I think it's a really cute dress, and I don't think it's too short. I think anyone could wear it. It is classified as mini on their website, but I think it's totally fine and you can get away with it at any age and any situation, in my opinion. I meant to mention, in the shoes that I wore in the first outfit with this dress, I just put it on with a pair of flats that I picked up at the anniversary sale. Really cute plain flats. Ballet flats are actually making a comeback. You're going to see a lot of that this season. So if you are a ballet flats girl, this is your time to shine. But these are just mules. These are mules that I picked up, like I said, in the anniversary sale. I like how the buckle just matches the shoe. It's very seamless. You don't have like just a sharp gold or silver buckle popping out. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but it just has a nice silhouette to the shoe. And so if you aren't one that likes to wear heels, then this might be an option. Or like I said, even just ballet flats. I don't really have any. I always like some type of heel for me. It's always my comfort level. So I'm trying to get a little bit better with wearing flats. But in either one of these dresses, you can wear them with tall boots, flats, boots, pumps, whatever your footwear preference is, you can get away with it in either of these dresses. Next up, I have this one shoulder pleated shirt. It is sleeveless. It does have the pleated details. I love the color. I paired it with some white denim. Of course, I don't know about you, but I still wear white during the fall. Entirely your choice, obviously, but you know, that rule of after Labor Day has fell by the wayside. So I would wear this outfit even in the fall time, but I thought it was a fun color. I do love pink. You can even wear this going into the fall with a pair of high boots, some booties. This is a really flowy shirt. So I do think that wearing it with something more tailored on the bottom is your best option just for that balance. So something big on top, form-fitting on the bottom, and the reverse is what I try to keep in mind, and it just helps put the silhouette all together for you. Anyway, I thought it was a nice color, and I know that I can get a lot of wear out of it. Pleats are hard. I am not a pleated girl on the bottom, but on top I think it's easier to get away with that pleat detail. It was really comfortable. I just wore it with the strapless bra. You can wear nippies, whatever you choose to wear with tops like that, but it was comfortable, it was fun, it was flowy, it was just a good top. Okay, the next piece that I picked up was this halter sweater. You'll notice I have it paired with a pair of denim, some booties, and I don't know if the clip showed yet, but you'll see a moto jacket as well. This is a piece that truly transitioned really well into fall with the moto jacket. This end of summer, you know, we don't have that much longer to go. But, you know, the summer's heat isn't going to stop just because it's September 1st, right? So I think it's a great piece that will, depending on where you are, I think you'll get some really good use out of it in the next 6 weeks, 8 weeks, maybe even. But with the moto jacket, it really helps to layer and to give you a little bit of warmth when necessary. It also just brings the outfit together for a different look. So I thought that that was a nice touch. I don't want to say it's a staple piece. Let's face it, not everyone is comfortable showing their shoulders, but I think for those that can and enjoy that, it's just subtle enough. You know, you're showing a little bit of skin, but not everything. So I thought it was a nice piece to pick up and add to my wardrobe. But again, you guys let me know. So the next item is a trench coat. And clearly, if you don't know, a trench coat is a staple in any wardrobe. You should have a nice classic trench coat. Typically, that beige khaki color is your, you know, standard traditional. But when I was in the store, they had this almost like a 3/4 trench, and it was in black and navy. The black one didn't have a belt, but the navy spoke to me as well, because I don't have a trench coat in that color. I just have lighter colors. In this particular one, it does have a point collar. It has the shoulder epaulettes and an angled front pocket. It does have a flap on the back, a back storm flap they call it. It does have a center back vent, and it is fully lined. Do want to point that out. It isn't too heavy, but it does have some weight to it. Buttoned straight down, does have a belted waist. Again, with that belt, but most trenches do. You know, sometimes I'll just tie the belt in the back and just leave it. Generally speaking, I do not button a trench coat. I just leave it open and I'll just belt it in the back and just keep it open in the front. I did pair it with a pair of jeans and another top, a sweater tank from Banana as well in black. I do think it came in 3 different colors. It's just your simple mock neck, sleeveless, straight hem, very simple, but who doesn't need, you know, another black sweater? I guess I do. I did want to point that out. Very comfortable, soft. I just like that halter neckline on me. I just like the way it looks. May not be for everyone, but it does have a nice silhouette to it. However, I will point out, I don't know if it was the strapless bra that I wore or if the sizing was just wrong, but over here it was puckering out a little bit. So I might try and see if I put on a different bra or even just snippies and see if that changes it, or I'll just go back and either return it or see if I just go down a size. So while it's a great sweater, very simple, I like the neckline. I can transition it into fall and put in a cardigan over it, denim jacket, that type of thing. Clearly I put it on with the trench coat, but this outfit, I think the trench coat is the clear winner as far as the outfit details for this. So that was my short and sweet Banana Republic factory shop try on. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave comments down below. Like I said, everything will be linked in the description box. So if you're looking for something, everything will be linked there. Thank you all for being here. I hope you enjoyed. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.